Hi guys, welcome to Car Crackers and another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So today, it looks bright again because I've got a white wall next to me, but it's not. It's misty and drizzly and a bit yucky and just grey, like my hair. No, so today it's got to be some type of I would say not a luxury car to cocoon you away like it sometimes is on days like this. I think it's something that can really cope with these conditions, something that can put the power down in the greasy wet conditions. So it's got to be four-wheel drive. That's one clue. It's also got to have real sort of rally prestige, so a rally replica, so that narrows it down a little bit. It's got to be a 2-litre turbocharged straight 4 engine. It's got to be quite Larry looking, so this is properly narrowing it down. The only trouble with the car I'm thinking of, which is Japanese, is in my head I see it and it's sort of rally replica sort of teammates sort of opposition as like a connoisseur's car, a proper, like I say, a rally replica. But the trouble is they seem to have got the reputation for sort of yeah, mate. I got one of them Evos, mate. Evo. It's running on like coilovers, like picked them up 15 quid on eBay, mate. Yeah, it's got like 5-inch stainless exhaust. Well, technically it's not stainless and it's not an exhaust, it's actually an old scaffold pipe. But yeah, still, mate. Yeah, bloody great, mate. Having it. Which kind of kind of taints how seriously a good a car it is because it's been adopted by so many boy racers. But this doesn't make it a bad car. Still an excellent car. So the perfect car to drive today is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6 Tommy Macklin edition. Excellent. So yep, the Tommy Macklin edition with its gorgeous bodywork, crazy, properly mad, out there sort of rally bodywork, I think would be the perfect car to drive today. Not to sound too not to sound too chavvy myself, but maybe with a slightly hotted up exhaust, just so you get a proper sound there. Something like that, yeah, definitely. To blast along the B roads, I think would be the perfect car to drive today. Excellent. Cheers, guys. Hope my my JDM accent wasn't too bad there. But hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.